Hello everyone. My name is Aldi Flores Arnidoval. I am a licensed teacher. I graduated at Lambayong Sultan Kudarat or at Lambayong National High School since 2004. Yes. But I stopped for my college at least 15 years, no. But I decided to continue my studies, my college in 2009, way back 2019 rather, because I want to pursue my educations. I took a Bachelor of Secondary Education major in Filipino at SMIT or Southern Mindanao Institute of Technology. That was 2019 to 2023, and luckily I passed. No, I graduate, and after I graduate, I took the board exam, a licensure examination or LET, and fortunately, I passed the licensure examinations last 2024. That was March 17 to be exact. So thank God, no, that's thank God because I passed in my first try. So and 2024, that was I teach in private school at elementary grade. So luckily I had an experience for 1 year and 1 month for the substitute teachers. So 1 year in 1 month. But now I wait for the result of my ranking because I was undergo with TRF and demo teaching. So last year I got my score for ranking. I have a 65 point something, 65.37 to be exact. So I passed because the qualified for the ranking is 50% score, so I passed luckily. But now I try to reapply again for the teaching position, junior high school, and I submit my augment documentations for my MAID because I undergo I studied my graduate schools for my masteral. So I have earned a 36 units, and I hope that I it will be included the rank in the rank, no. So that was a 10 points. So 65 my previous scores on last year plus the current 10 points for this year. So 65 plus 10 is equivalent to 75 points. So I hope and I pray that I will be a public school teacher in the near future or in this school year 2025 or 2026-2027. So that was my manifestations for this year. But while I'm waiting for my promotions, if I will going to be a public school teachers, I currently studied again, no, because um I didn't finish my masteral. I have 6 units left. Actually, I studied at Sharif Kabunsuan in, at Cotabato City. So yeah, that's it. No, so it's really hard to wait, but I know that I really believe that God's plan is always perfect, and the Bible said that Isaiah 60 verse 22 that in God's time, no, it will make it happen. So just keep the faith, just keep hold on, no. My advice to the future aspirant teachers, like me is don't lose hope, don't give up, and always believe in yourself, because no matter what happened, yourself is your greatest enemy. So don't lose hope. Don't lose hope. No, just hold on. Just keep the faith. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching.